We realized that there's a pain point in assembling furniture for a lot of people.
We heard the same stories over and over again about the difficult assembly of flatback furniture. So for us at Hoek, we wanted to create something that was accessible, easy to assemble, sustainable, and that was going to last you a lifetime.
What we designed was a snap lock system that you can assemble and disassemble in seconds.
Brian and I met studying architecture at the Harvard Graduate School of Design. One of the things that I think most architects want to do is design a chair or design a piece of furniture. You know, you look back to the greats like Charles and Ray Eames, Alvar Aalto, and they're all have created iconic buildings, but they've also created iconic pieces of furniture. Brian and I have been working in fabrication in New York City for the last 5 years, and we've been very lucky to do jobs for companies like Google and Facebook and Nike, and we've had to learn and build extremely complex things on a large scale for those companies. The pandemic really forced our hand for us to focus on furniture. What we were doing is experimenting with multiple types of materials in order to make that system work the best. Through our investigation of all these different types of materials, we came across recycled HDPE, and we actually chose that material because it had a very low coefficient of friction, which meant that joint clicked in much easier. And so for us, it was a no-brainer. We were giving waste plastic a new life, and it made our product better. We've taken that knowledge from our other company and we've integrated that into the design of the Hoek furniture. And that really all comes together in our furniture to create an excellent product. Hoek is located in Red Hook in Brooklyn, New York, and that's very integral to who we are as a brand. We have a 10,000 square foot workshop out on a pier, Statue of Liberty's on one side, a big box retailer who will go unnamed is on the other side. And Red Hook itself is an amazing community. It has a very interesting history. The Dutch were the first to settle here in the 1600s, and that's actually how we got our name as a brand, Hoek. The Dutch named this area Rude Hoek because of the color of the soil, which is red, rude, and Hoek because the area that we are right now is this hook-shaped peninsula. Later on in the 1900s, urban revitalization and many of the motorways that were built through Brooklyn, Red Hook was cut off from the rest of the city. And so it's kind of become this untouched area in Brooklyn that's like very special, filled with makers, artists, and very creative people. It's so exciting to see what we've done in the past year and the response from consumers all over the US. And we've created something that's very innovative, and we're super passionate to come here to work every day and work with such a talented team in such a beautiful location.
The core of our company is design. Our goal is to have the customer have fun with their furniture, clicking in the legs, experiencing that satisfaction. So we invite everyone to experience the click for themselves and join the Hoek family.
Yes!